I hope you guys are aware about the changes that did by Microsoft regarding Microsoft 365 certificate. Earlier, you know that you need to prepare yourself to handle the mailing services with the certification of MS-102. But this MS-102 certification will be expired by October, and they already decided and introduced the course content that you need to update and upgrade yourself with the AB-650. And in this video, in this class, I'm going to guide you everything how you can prepare and how you can start your journey with Microsoft 365 mailing services with automation and Copilot. Hey everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and welcome to my YouTube class. Let's talk about the difference between MS-102 and AB-650. So I have already opened the page related to the content that help you to understand about the topics that we earlier completed in MS-102. And see, this exam will be retired in October 2026. So it means that you must need to involve, as we discussed multiple time in our multiple videos, I inform you, it's time to learn automation. No matter, I understand you don't have idea about coding, you don't know anything related to the languages, but at least you should prepare yourself with the automation task. Need to put your basic activity on automation that you can save lots of time, and the same time you need to like as a give to the P1 or P2 are big issues, because every organization want to increase and enhance their productivity. That's why they decided to convert their 40% manual task to the automatic, and the rest of activity they are going to the rest available time of engineers they are going to perform to take a new project, right? So let's talk about what are the topics that required for MS-102. The topic was really amazing. Like you can easily understand the all points, how you can onboard user, offboard user. The MS-102 content help us to like understand the concept of tenant, about custom domain, about different types of licenses, help us to understand how to buy the licenses with the help of marketplace. So MS-102 basically categorized in four different modules. So deploy and manage Microsoft 365 tenant, 10% to 50%, and implement and manage Microsoft 365 identity and access management 25 to 30%. Questions in final examination, and manage security and threats by using Microsoft Defender XDR 35 to 40%, and manage compliance by using Microsoft Purview 15 to 20%. So these four modules will help you to understand about the concept of MS-102, means correlated to the administrator, means you are easily able to handle mailing services for any organization. But what about AB 650? So the another exam, basically the exam code that introduced by Microsoft, it's AB 650, right? So let's talk about the changes or what are the modules that we need to cover in case of AB 650. This is AI services with administrator exam AB 650. The certificate name is administrating Microsoft 365 and AI services. Again, AI come into the picture. That because you know that Copilot option, you guys are aware about multiple automation related tools are also available on Microsoft 365 Admin Center that help a lot to convert our manual tasks to automate. Let's talk about the content. So in the content, okay. So in this certification, we need to prepare ourselves for three modules: configure and manage Microsoft 365 tenant and workloads, right? Upgraded version of MS-102 that help you to 20 to 25% of questions you will get in final examination. Govern and secure Microsoft 365 tenant and workload 40 to 45%. Manage and secure AI services in Microsoft 365 30 to 40%. The questions that you will get in final examination. Okay, so let's talk about the core content, right? The core content in the sense, in the modules, what are the points that we need to discuss? In this particular module, let's see what are the things, what are the practicals that we need to involve. So this is the subtopics related to the module first. Manage the user and contact lifecycle. Okay. Perform bulk identity management with the Microsoft 365, Microsoft Graph PowerShell. So this is the new content that they added. It means that you need to involve your Microsoft PowerShell from day one with Microsoft Intra Admin Center or Microsoft 365 Admin. You need to connect your Microsoft 365 portal with Graph and PowerShell to perform most of the task automatically. And create and manage group, which is the old one, naming policy and expiration policy. These topics are basically similar like as MS-102. And let me check what's new with the AI feature, because the last module, final module, is correlated to the AI integration, right? So let me open the last module. Manage and secure Microsoft 365 AI services. So in AI services, the basic contents that we need to cover: remediation and about phased rollout across the organization. So these all points are correlated to the copilot. Means in each and every points, each and every modules, you need to learn about the basics of copilot and Power Automate, Graph and PowerShell. So these all application are kind of services that involved with Microsoft 365 help us to convert our manual tasks to automate. And the good news for everyone, Teach Me Cloud decided to start a new batch of AB-650 from September first week. The demonstration, we have already conducted the demonstration. If you're interested to learn how this entire content can work in real environment, how you can prepare yourself with the automation services, so please do join this live session and you will feel like lots of changes that did by Microsoft. All the informations are available in the description. Please go through, and if you have any doubt, if you have any question, reach out to team, WhatsApp, email. All the informations are available. You need to coordinate us, and definitely will guide you. Thank you guys, and do subscribe your on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care.